Hi there, Sandra here. Today I'm doing a little project for the Christmas season and it's a multi-layered vinyl cut. Now you'll be able to use this for whatever you want, whether you want to cut it, put it onto a mug, whether you want to put it onto some window cling and use it as a household decoration, put it on a card, or indeed put it onto printable vinyl and do a t-shirt that way. Or do it with HTV and put it on a t-shirt that way. So lots of different options. I've prepared the file and I've made it as an SVG. So I'm going to go to File and Import. There we go. And it's called 'Tis the Season. And I just want it to be a cut only. And go to Next and just apply. There we go. I've got my bits and pieces. Now I know from where I designed it that this measurement should only be about 10 centimeters, slightly under in my original file, but 10 centimeters is close enough. So what I want to do is to make sure that I have my proportional resize on. Don't want to have that checked off, and put in 10, and there we go. So I'm going to arrange these so that they are at the origin point, and now I'm going to send the design. Now it says all artwork, yeah, that's fine. Move each color layer to origin. Yes, because I'm cutting this out from different colors of vinyl, I'm just going to keep replacing my vinyl, and I need each piece to be at the origin point because that makes it easier for me. So click on send, and here we go, and it's going to come up with whichever colour I choose to do at the moment. Now you notice these little funny shapes here. These shapes are necessary. You need to cut those out because those are basically registration marks. Add one on top of the other and the design will work. If you don't cut those out, you'll have to eyeball it, and that's not that easy. So here's what I stuck it onto, a plastic container. Now I did make a slight mistake because this has a slightly rough surface here and a smooth one here. The smooth surface obviously is fine for vinyl, but this is not the best of surfaces for it to stick to. However, since this is simply a Christmas sticker, it's quite okay because I'll want to peel it off after the holidays are over. So there we go, that's my design for 'Tis the Season to be Holly.